Hey, what's up guys? Mike Awesome21 here with another video. And today, we're going to be building and benchmarking this relatively cheap Core i7 ITX Gaming PC. So let's get started. So first, starting off the parts list, we have a Team Group 120GB SSD that I got for $20 off of Newegg. Next, for more storage, we have a 500GB hard drive, which I got for $15 off of eBay. Then, I was able to pick up a CX450M power supply for only $30 off of LetGo. And for the graphics card, we have a GTX 1060 6GB, which I got off of Craigslist for $100. Then for the best deal of this whole computer, we have an i7 4770, 16GB of DDR3 RAM, a Gigabyte GA Z87N ITX motherboard, and a Wi-Fi adapter that comes with it. This totaled only $100, making this probably the best deal I've ever gotten. Finally, we have the case, which is the Cooler Master Elite 120, which I was able to get for free with other computer parts probably 2 years ago. And now it's the perfect time to use it. So, let's get the build going. So as you guys can see through those benchmarks, an i7 4770 and GTX 1060 6GB can perform well at 1080p ultra settings at above 60 FPS. But one problem I've had with this case is the temperatures. The CPU temperature actually almost reached 90 degrees after gaming for an hour or two, which is not really acceptable. So if I had to change only one thing, that would just be the case. but everything else worked perfectly fine. So if you guys want to see more PC gaming and PC building related content, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'd love to see you in the next one. Later.